Hey, my name is Bo Barber with Ecore, and today I really wanted to talk to you guys about ergonomic flooring. We're creating a host of products where we're transforming reclaimed materials into performance surfaces that make people's lives better. At Ecore, we're typically focused on acoustics, safety, and ergonomics. But today we really wanted to focus on ergonomics. At Ecore, we create surfaces that are not just focused on anti-fatigue, which is what most people are considering as the attribute of choice when it comes to pharmacy flooring or ergonomic flooring. But we really focus on ergonomics in a different way, a more comprehensive way. See, when you look at ergonomics, we're focused on force reduction and energy restitution to make a floor comfortable and efficient and effective for a person to do their work. Most people in the pharmacy space are looking for something that's softer, because that's what they attribute comfort to. But when you look at ergonomics, that really is a negative. The way to explain this would really be to compare the two extremes. Working on a concrete floor as opposed to working on a sandy beach. When you're working on a concrete floor, you've got very little force reduction and an enormous amount of energy restitution. Essentially, very little force of impact being deflected, but yet there's an enormous amount of energy being shoved back into the leg. All of that is a negative. You're really suffering from impact-related discomfort, impact-related injuries. While a lot of people try and solve that with an anti-fatigue mat, at Ecore, we really understand that that's not just the solution. Sand is a product that's absorbing not a lot of force reduction. And if you walk on a sandy beach, it's very comfortable and it feels great. But if you try and run on that beach, or you're on that beach for a long period of time working, you start to suffer from fatigue. A lot of the anti-fatigue or super soft mats out there in the industry would be correlated to that sand. At Ecore, we take a longer view of this, creating an ergonomic floor that truly is better, balancing force reduction and energy restitution. If you think that the floor is not as comfortable as it should be, you've got to think about a longer term cycle where over time we're going to deflect the energy, absorb energy, but also return energy to you in a more effective way. That's going to allow us to truly solve your ergonomic issues. Thank you.